Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I am also fine. In this video I'm gonna show unique and amazing pebble and shell home decoration ideas. Different beautiful pebble home decoration ideas. Pebble art for family, for kids, for animal. Different wall decoration, stone art, rocks art, different shell art, and it is very amazing and different art. It is very amazing and beautiful, and I hope you like it. Then you like it viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon viewers, and please show your friends and family members, and don't forget my YouTube channel. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.